Come on. Jack. Well, good evening. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm Cowboy. A lot of you know me as my first name, Ken. And stay tuned for the end of this video for some bonus footage. But I am a procrastinator. It is super hot out, and we've got to get stuff done, get the bike ready for our trip to the Black Hills and Sturgis. Come on, get in here. And a couple videos ago, I apologize, I haven't been posting any videos here for a while. Life is busy. Kim is keeping me very busy, and we've just been busy. I can't even keep up with the grass cutting, but I decided to bring the dogs out here for a minute. Jack, get over here. Come here. Come on. I'm gonna put them back in the house here in a minute. But a couple videos ago, I showed the latch on my tour pack. And I've got to go in and get my keys so I can unlock that. All right, well, I got the tour pack unlocked, and we got some cleaning to do, but first thing I need to do is take this latch off. Need to take all that off, and this top part here, because I do have a new one, which is right over here. Now I'm going to try to take the lock off of this new one, take the old one off of the old one, and put it on the new one, so I don't have to, I can keep the same key. But I actually got this off of the Amazons. Why did I purchase that on the Amazon? Go price one of those latches at a dealership and you will fall out of your chair. So let's get busy. Now, as you can see, there's two Phillips screws that holds the new lock in. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the old one off the bike, off the tour pack, and make sure they are actually the same. I don't see a brand name on the box on the new assembly, the new latch and everything. So we're going to get the old one off and we'll go from there. Well, I found the right size, and it's a T20, I believe. I'm not going to take the liner out just because I can peel it back and take the screws out. I got to get a magnetic cup, and I have one over here, I think, on my box. So I don't lose the screws. What do you think? So how has everybody been doing? We've been busy. We had a good 4th of July. We went up to Nebraska on Friday, came back on Saturday. Brought Jack back with us. He is a registered Doberman pinscher, but she doesn't exactly have those papers. I think it's turning. Yeah. But he's been a good dog this trip. He's very needy, as you know, with any dog. He's been behaved. I'm very happy with him. So let's see if I can get this last screw off. We'll get the latch off, then we'll work on the lock. All right, I don't know if y'all can see down in there, but those are actually Torx screws, and those are Phillips, but it looks like it will fit in there, so I'm going to switch these locks out. We'll be back with you here in a few minutes. All right, everybody, I got the lock exchanged, and I actually had it in backwards. I couldn't do anything. I put the key in it and turn it, and it wouldn't do. It was actually hitting on the top of the assembly there. So I had to take the lock back off and turn it around. So, yeah. All right, we're gonna put this back on, get that top piece, this one here, changed out. And somebody commented on that video that I showed this latch, how much trouble it was giving us, that the top piece was the only thing that needed to be replaced. Well, if you look at this, I'd rather just replace the whole thing. So, yeah, this tour pack's hauled a lot of clothes and stuff, so I just rather go ahead and replace the whole assembly. So we'll get this back on and we'll show you the end result. Stay tuned for some bonus footage at the end. Well, we got the latch on, and Kim's gonna get her skinny little you-know-what out here and wash the bike because it needs it. She wants to do it, so yeah, stay tuned and we'll be right back. suds on it or it gets the hose again. She's having fun. Cold water. All right, I'm gonna turn this water on. Let me rinse the trunk off, and then you get the back fender. Carry that bucket over there with you if you want. Well, everybody, that is the bonus footage of my wife washing the bike. And yeah, she enjoyed it. Hope you did too. And the bike hasn't been washed for quite a while. So next thing I'm gonna have to do is get it up on the lift and do a 3-hole oil change. But yeah, we sure enjoyed it. I hope you did too. And we'll see you on the next one. Say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran, and be kind to each other and love each other. Did you have a good time, babe?
Yes, I did.
So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Say bye.